In this video, I will teach you how to use ChatGPT for prompts. Let's get right into it. First, you want to open your browser and type in openai.com. Go to the features and select ChatGPT. After that, you log in your account. Once you're inside, you're gonna see this ChatGPT interface. Let's try to ask AI to make us a prompt. I have here my script and let's kick it in. I have a text that I would like to make changes to generate a table of 3 different suggestions in making an essay that could be related to with numbers in the left column of the table for me to pick from. After the table, ask the question, what writing style would you like to rewrite the text into? Pick one from the table above, below the table. I have here my script and let's kick it in. I'll just paste my text here about artificial intelligence and let's just wait ChatGPT to do his job. Execute the instructions in a table format. Just click enter. And there we have it. ChatGPT made us a prompt. Let's try to pick option number 2. You can ask ChatGPT everything about you want. Let's try option number 3. Just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.